L-Connect 3 freezing when your GPU is under load is a critical issue we are fixing right now. If L-Connect 3 is freezing under GPU load, this guide will get it running smoothly again. First, we need to completely kill the runaway process. Open Task Manager, find L-Connect 3 and end that task to force a clean restart. If that doesn't stop the freezing, the problem often lies with corrupted temporary files, so we'll clear L-Connect 3's cache. Navigate to the cache folder within L-Connect 3's installation directory, delete all files inside and empty your recycle bin. This removes any junk that might be causing the software to hang. Should the freezing persist, the solution is usually to ensure you're running the absolute latest version. Visit the official L-Connect 3 website, download the newest installer, uninstall your current version, and then install the fresh copy. Finally, if none of those steps work, we'll delve into L-Connect 3's own settings. Go into L-Connect 3's preferences and carefully adjust your GPU fan curves and any aggressive overclocking settings, as these can sometimes overload the software, leading to instability.